Hello and welcome guys. So today we are going to discussing about the new platform. So this platform launched today. First of all, you need to recharge. So just I click on the recharge, and here you can see here are multiple accounts. So you can select here Binance, Trex or BNB. So I am going to deposit from my Binance account. So just I need to click here, and just I want to copy this wallet address, and just I need to make deposit in this app. So this app launched today, and this is very well and important app, so you can join this. So joining link is given description in this video. So here you can see here is option about helpline, and here is option about team. So you can see all the information about your team, and when you click on this links, so here are multiple plans, so you can choose anyone. So I just choose first plan and make deposit. So here deposit will be appear just in 1 and 2 minutes. So my deposit has been done. So here you can see here is level 1, 2 and level 3 about all your teams. So just you can see that here are invite friends option. So when you click on this option, you just can click invite link, and just need to copy this and share with your friends. When you will share with your friends, so you can earn a lot of profit from your friends. So just click on the invest, so see you all your package. So just I need to click on the quantity, so I can click on the quantity and start quantity. So you can see that my work has been done and is going to start. So in this way, just in 24 hours, just you need to click on this just once. When you will click on this, so you can see that you can earn 2.4 USDT on daily basis. So after this 24 hours, just you need to repeat this again, and you can earn $24 on daily basis. So when you have a team, so you can earn a lot of money from this app launched today, and you can join this app and earn a lot of money from this app. So here you can see that here is a quantity benefit 2.4000 USDT deposit in basic wallet. So just I will make withdraw from this live. Just don't skip this video and please watch the complete video. So I am going to make a live withdrawal, so in all public. So you can see that here I need to copy my BNB smart chain BEP20 USDT, and just I need to copy deposit address, and just I need to paste here. And first of all, you need to open your Binance wallet, and just you need to click on BEP20 USDT trace and copy and paste here, and just put your all amount which you want to withdraw. So I have 2.40 USDT in my wallet address. Just I put my wallet address, and I am going to put my contact information. Just I am going to put my security password. So after the all the fill of the blanks, you can get your withdrawal very soon and very successfully. So my withdrawal has been done very successfully. Just I am waiting for my withdrawal. So finally I received my notification, so I get my withdrawal just in 1 minute. So here you can see 2.4 USDT. Okay, see you in next video.